The total translational kinetic energy of gas is solved is using the following formula: 3 halves times N times R times T, where E total is the total translational kinetic energy, N is the number of moles, R is the gas constant, and T is the absolute temperature. In this problem, the total kinetic translational kinetic energy of a sample of a certain amount of gas is 26,900 joules at a temperature of 415 Kelvin. We want to find the number of moles of the sample of gas, and for letter B, the average kinetic energy, translational kinetic energy of one molecule of the said gas. Rearranging the equation above to solve for N gives us N equals E total times 2 over 3 divided by RT. Substituting the E total